Let's see if I can do this again. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Moose. I'm Moose, appreciate y'all. Today I'm going to make a chicken cheese broccoli casserole. But first, now I'm now in the club of unemployed. I just found out I got unemployed, or I became laid off as of Friday 2 p.m. Y'all out there, be constructive. All you adults, use your kidneys, man. Be responsible. You know there's things that you can do that now you've got time to do them. So I hope everybody's being safe. Anyway, I'm gonna switch from over here to over here because I've got everything. Yeah, I've got my season. I've got everything. So let me switch cameras real quick. Or switch cameras. Switch positions. There we go. Alright, hopefully that's gonna work. Alrighty then. I don't know until I run them from the video recorder to my DCF file on my computer. Okay, y'all, I got 4 chicken breasts. I got an empty, those are boneless, skinless chicken breast. An empty bowl, shredded cheese, trash bag, this is an aluminum pan. I've got this because you try to pick this up when it's hot, the thing's extremely dangerous and wobbly. So I'm using a cookie sheet to hold it, the weight of it. So first, I've already cut the bottom of the broccoli I'm not going to use, and I want to kind of put them in bite-sized pieces. We're going to make it through this, y'all. We are going to make it through it. I know we are. And those that are Christians, pray. Those that aren't Christians, pray anyway. I only use about this much of the broccoli. You can use it for other things, but I'm not going to do that in this video. So I'm just going to cut those off and break them out of the way. Actually, you can do it a lot quicker right here, just like this. Just go through your broccoli, boom, instead of how you just seen me doing it. Because this is going to end up all throughout your casserole. Yeah, I don't want those pieces in there. Y'all don't want those pieces in there. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, I mean, it's been a few days since I made a video too. Like I told y'all, I'm computer illiterate and I'm trying to hire somebody to help me. I need some things done on my computer that I don't know how to do. It's free, and I just need somebody to do it. Or show me how to do it, and I'll pay them. Anyway, yeah. Like I said, just cut your broccoli up. I'm not going to use that, like I said. All of this is going to get put in the casserole. It's going to be excelente. Quick way to cook. Well, don't you get a machine? Why? I'm not going to buy a whole bunch of equipment that I don't need to do, that I don't need to use. It's a waste of daggone money. That's pretty much all there is to that. Plus, I'm trying to get somebody to help me so I can get my comment section turned on, because boy, I've already been told there's some good comments from some people that don't like me, which I'm not surprised. You know, some people just don't know how to grow up. Oh, did I say that? Yeah, I did. I sure did. Some of their friends knew how they acted. I don't think they'd probably be friends with them for very long. I'm putting this in raw. That's the way you want to do it. Make sure you don't have any big unnecessary chunks in there that shouldn't be in there. That's what I'm doing now. Yep, that looks like it's all bite size. There's another piece I don't want in there. We're gonna get through this though, I just know we will. Okay. Now, I'm gonna move this down here on my cutting board. This is garbage. Make room over here. Because I'm gonna bring my chicken, but I'm gonna so I'm not gonna block it so you guys can't see it. It's 4 chicken breasts. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut strips. Then I'm gonna cut those at an angle. And that's gonna go in the bottom. Oh, okay. My knife still wants to continue to play games. I got a problem solving with that sucker. This bad boy right here I got sharp enough to shave with. Cuts through it like butter. When you're cutting for chicken fajitas, when you're doing your chicken, that's about the size you want your pieces of chicken, and then just cut them in half. That's what you want your chicken fajita size. And same thing on your steaks. If you want steak wraps, you want those about the same size. The steaks cook a little longer. You want to cook all your meat so it's done. Just going to cut these. This is going to take a minute, but hey, I'm showing you everything. Alright, aluminum pan, like I said. All I'm doing is put a little bit of oil in the bottom to keep the chicken from burning. Stick it in the pan, then I put it up on the sides of the pan, and that's ready. I want that because I need the space. But like I said, I may only be able to use one more breast. Small one at that. There's a small one. I didn't know chickens had little breasts. That's a joke, y'all. Always be safe. Take your time. Those of you who've got little ones, try to make sure that you're not distracted and leave something laying around where they're going to get a hold of it, because you already know. Especially, I love my kids. I'm glad they're older, but boy, do I remember the terrible twos. Woo-hoo! Man, that was a nightmare. I forgot to cut this chicken. So let me cut it real quick. Chicken breasts, I think, are the best for this particular recipe. See how I cut those up like that? Just cut them at an angle. Spreading my chicken out. And there is a little bit of fat on the breast, and I am leaving it on there because that will give juice to the dish. So that means these, boy, I'm gonna have some chicken something in the morning for breakfast. I can't. I don't know if I want to put another. No, if I put another breast in there, that's gonna be too much. Or actually, I can do it this way. I know how to do it. No, I'm gonna leave it that way. No. I remember something that Rachel Ray said. If you got it in there and it looks good, and then your mind comes and you say, "Oh no, change it." She don't do that. Just go with your instincts. I'm just putting this in the sink to get it out of my way. Alrighty then. I gotta get the milk. I knew I forgot something. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Boy, I love this chair. This chair is great. cup of water. I'm probably going to put about a half a cup or so of milk. That's probably more close to 3/4. I'm going to set that over there. Put this back in the fridge. Alrighty then. My cheese is out. Since I already know I'm going to use this whole bag, make it easier to pour. I told you that knife was sharp. Boy, is it sharp. I got a knife sharpener. You guys, where's it at? Here it is. It's a professional knife sharpener, and it's called AccuSharp by Knife and Tool Sharpener. I got it here at Bloomington. Man, this thing is awesome. Okay, 2 chicken breasts. You seen how I cut them? Okay, now I'm going to put some seasonings. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, and I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on there. Probably, you know, to layer it down there on the bottom. There we go. All that broccoli I just cut up, I'm just pushing it right in. That's all I'm doing. Now, I need to turn around and preheat my oven. And that oven gets preheated. Let's see here, where are we at? Oh, I forget to see. I got, yeah, there it is. 350 degrees for 25 minutes. 350. And I'm going to put that on the middle shelf. That way it gets done. On top shelf, it gets done if you cook it a little bit longer and higher temperature. That's why they have the temperatures and times set like they do. Alrighty then, there's the broccoli. And now, another coating of cheese. This is a chicken cheese broccoli casserole. Exactly what it is. Simple to make. And everybody, I mean, some kids like broccoli, some don't. For those who like broccoli, hey, it's a plus in their little bank account of life. They got to eat a really good dish. There you go. Now, seal up my cheese. Put that in the fridge. Like I said, that's set at 350 for 25 minutes. So it's, let's say it's 8 o'clock, well it's actually 7:55. So I want to do 25 minutes. I want to keep it in there for 10 minutes longer, so that way they'll have that time for the oven to heat up. So 8:25, 8:35. Alrighty then, let me show you guys. 8:35 is when I got to pull this out of the oven. Like I said, 350 degrees, 25 minutes. There is your chicken cheese broccoli casserole. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Word to the wise, this will still slide around. That becomes dangerous. If I've been in the oven for 20 minutes, you go to pull it out and it slides and hits you, that's instant 3rd-degree burn. So put this towards the front and put your thumbs on each side while it's cool, not while it's hot. And I'll pull it out a different way when it is hot. I'll put this in the oven.